Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be for a beginner, for any beginners that want to learn how to do a golf swing, a simple, basic golf swing. Okay. For the basic backswing, on the takeaway, the leading arm is straight and horizontal to the ground. And the second part is the wrist locked at 90-degree angle. Okay. And on the takeaway, do not sway the whole body. Okay. It's for stabilization. Okay. And lastly, on the downswing, in a simple half circular swing. Trying to keep it as simple as possible. So you keep swinging this simple method and it will create a muscle memories for you. And then later on, when you're learning other technical, it will be a slight changing to it. But the basic fundamental is still this basic backswing.